Hi. The last week is going to be about weight management and obesity. And as most of you know, obesity is a growing problem worldwide. More and more people are suffering from it. And that's why we're discussing it in this week. Now we'll start out by looking at ways to assess obesity. You have probably heard of the term BMI or body mass index, but there are other ways to assess obesity and to assess fat distribution, where the fat is stored in the body, because this turns out to be an important measurement. We'll also discuss, through videos and reading text and answering questions, the topic of the health risks of obesity, because one of the reasons why we're concerned about obesity is because it's associated with health risks, including increased risk for diabetes and other diseases. And you'll get introduced into the term the metabolic syndrome. Now, a very important topic that we need to address is why do people develop obesity? And we can look at that from different angles. We'll discuss the psychological angle, but also the social angle, the role of the environment, the changing environment that we are exposed to nowadays with lots of food available. And we'll look at the role of genetics, because this turns out to be quite important, at least in some people. Now, a key question to all of this is, what can we do about this? We'll look at possible solutions. And you'll see an interview that I had with Professor Jaap Seidel from the University in Amsterdam about changing the so-called obesogenic environment. Changing the environment that we are exposed to and that promotes obesity, the abundance of food, the limited exercise that we need to do to get to our grocery store or to get to work. All of this needs to be changed, and we need to address how we can accomplish that. So this last week of the MOOC is going to be a lot of fun, and I'm happy you're still with us. Enjoy.